Quick challenge, search your name right now. What shows up first? Your Insta a random forum post, nothing at all. That first page is your front door for universities and employers, and yeah, they knock. Here's the move. I think of my digital footprint like a highlight reel I'm actively editing. Step 1, audit. Google yourself on a browser you don't use and on mobile. Screenshot the first page. That's your baseline. Step 2, curate. Ask, if a scholarship panel binged my online life for 5 minutes, what story would they tell? Then build that story on purpose. Update your LinkedIn headline with the thing you want to be known for. Pin a project post on your top platform. Make a simple portfolio site, yourname.com if possible, about projects contact. Step 3, proof of work. Don't say you're passionate, show it. Post a mini case study. What you tried, what broke, what you fixed, what you learned. One solid post a month beats daily fluff. Step 4, clean the closet. Switch old accounts to private, remove tags. If something cringy resurfaces, own it. I posted this in 2021. Here's what I'd do differently. Growth, perfection. Step 5, signal the algorithm. Use consistent keywords in bios and titles, your field tool result. Example, student data analyst Python plus Excel, turning messy data into clear stories. Step 6, social proof. Ask a teacher, coach, project teammate for a one-line testimonial and add it to your portfolio. Finally, set a 30-minute monthly identity check. Update, 1 link, publish, 1 proof of work, remove 1 distraction. Your future self is already Googling you. Give them something worth finding.